In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a logo using a picture on Canva. On your Canva design page, select an image and highlight the image. Then select PG Remover under Edit Image. The next step is to select a desired frame. Click on Color to add color to the frame. The image background will become the new background for the frame. Gently drag the image above the frame and adjust to fit. Highlight the image and select Edit Image. Then click on Dual Tone and pick any one of them. Then adjust it to all white. You will notice the image is now more of a logo than a picture. For this video, I will add some effects like flowers and text to it. You can do whatever you want with yours as well. And that's about it. That's how to make a logo using a picture on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.